Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled. Open Device Manager with Win+X and locate your network adapter so you know its exact model. This matters for driver selection. Once located, right-click and choose Properties to view driver details and rollback options. Make sure to note the driver date and version because that informs whether to update, rollback, or reinstall. This immediate inspection primes you for the next technical steps. Now you update and, if needed, reinstall the driver. First, choose Update Driver and let Windows search automatically. This is quick and often solves signature mismatches. If that fails, uninstall the device, check, delete the driver software, only if you have an OEM copy, then reboot so Windows attempts a fresh install. If Windows installs a generic driver that still misbehaves, download the latest adapter driver from the laptop or chipmaker site and install it manually. This ensures proper firmware and advanced features are applied. Finish by resetting and validating network behavior. Use settings right arrow network and internet right arrow advanced network settings right arrow network reset to clear corrupted profiles. This removes adapters and reinstalls them. Make sure power management isn't turning the adapter off and verify advanced adapter settings like 802. 11 mode match your router. Once done, reconnect and test speed. If problems persist, try a USB Wi-Fi dongle to isolate hardware faults or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.